Thank you for tuning in into my channel where you find all about mixed media, art journal, collage, assemblage and anything else that sparks my interest. Hi, my name is Grob and I'm glad you are here.
I'm back again. I'm glad you're back again too, and if you are new here, glad you found my channel. So I will have the link to the first video how I started my little booklet, My Pretended Relatives. And I have so far Uncle Will and Aunt Alice. Now I do have all kind of little stuff also which I want to use, and as I said, I usually gonna make like 2 or maybe 4 double spread, not sure yet. We need some kits. Now that's the boy I want to use. Let's see how much, how I want him. I think I'm gonna punch it out again. Now this family does have a little dog. I was looking around for little tiny pictures, that's what I'm gonna use. And I think I'm actually gonna fussy cut that little doggy here. So that's their doggy. And then he of course needs a sister. And I'm thinking, let's see if I have a little bit of an older girl. But he's very young. That's too old. Something in between. I think that's going to be his sister. Oh, I had a double page. Haven't realized that. Okay. As usual, I'm gonna use a simple glue stick because yeah, it's a thin paper that should work. But I do use a scrap piece of paper. So I think I need to add a little bit of white. It is a little bit too dark, so I'm gonna add a little bit of gesso just around the pictures. And lately I'm very much into working with fingers. I don't know why. I'm also gonna use Posco pen to go around the images just to give them a little bit more, so that they stand a little bit more out. So that is Finn and his dog. Now I do have another uncle who travels a lot and I do have those pictures from some magazines. I think I'm gonna use those. And I also have those tickets. They are actually ribbons. They are no longer available. I'm pretty sure they are from Seven Gypsies. So, Toronto. Yeah, sounds about right for me. Need the glue stick. And then I'm gonna use the ribbon here. There's a lot of stuff going on the screen. I'm just checking it. Yeah, and the actual work is really tiny. I could actually zoom you in a bit. What do you think about that? It's really totally different working in such a tiny thingy here. Okay, now we need Mario the Traveler, something like that. That's too big. I think I'll go for this one. Oh, this one with the sunglasses. Oh, I like that. Uncle Mario, the Traveler. Okay, that are the 2 pages. I'm gonna zoom you in even more. I don't like the fin here. Okay, my pretended relatives, 2 more pages. Uncle Will and Aunt Alice we have done the last time. Now we have Finn and his dog and his sister Emily. And then we have here Uncle Mario the Traveler. He travels all kind of places. So we'll see what happens next. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope to see you soon again. Take care.